Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I was ruin diving today in an amazing ruin that's going to be a hotel actually. I have the plans and everything, so I'm going to put it on the channel, see if you like it. It's massive. Anyway, I was diving around and I found these tiles. They're 1920s cement floor tiles. They were just thrown out in a pile and I said, hey, can I pay you for those? He's like, here, take them. So I did. They're amazing. And there's a whole nother pile left there, so I'm gonna go get those too. Anyway, here's what they look like. You can see here's my box of tiles. There's not a whole lot there. I figured I could use them as accent tiles for Casa Cristina. Look how beautiful they are. And they would look really nice with sort of a grayish backsplash, and then they could be accent tiles, or if I can snag enough of these things, I can, you know, use up, like do a whole line of them or something along the kitchen. I'll just have to look and see. I'll just have to look and see what's available, because it's really, these are awesome, and they're a little bit of old that I'm going to mix with the new. So I'm going to sneak down there. He said I could have all of them. They're all sort of in a big pile covered with dirt and a little bit of bird poop and everything else, just like these are. But it's exciting, and I'm really, really thrilled to get them. So anyway, just another little find here in Santa Dominica. Sometimes you find handmade furniture in these ruins. Antonello's dad has made a lot of pieces, and we found already 3 of them in various different houses and ruins and things like that. It's really, really fun. The history here is amazing. Anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. When you come, let's go ruin diving and see what we can find.